Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn. With a vision of prosperity and hope, we invite you to be a part of this journey of growth.
It's Shuki, baby. Tap the blessing and subscribe.
I've noticed that I always take you in Guangzhou wholesale markets, and I tell you that I do sourcing, but I never take you along and I'm going to do any kind of work. And if you've been following me, you know that I have a registered company here in Guangzhou, and our company handles a lot of sourcing, even though we also have a wholesale shop for menswear. So today I'm going to take you along as I'm sourcing here for our clients. We are in the phase where she gets to see different suppliers, we verify the quality and the quantity of the goods, and get to know prices. Now, if you're interested to see that kind of content and to see how it is done in these wholesale markets, come along with me. Y'all, I woke up at 6, but wholesale markets in Guangzhou open until midday because nobody's working that time. And now it's midday, and I'm heading out to just get this work done. I hope my makeup can last all day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe. If you've been watching me since forever, thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section. We can be friends. Come along with me and let's go sourcing. Honestly, running to work on bikes is so ghetto. Anyway, it rained the entire morning, but we have to get this work done. I hope you stay here and watch this video till the end because we had a lot of learning. Did you know there is actually Chinese here? I always thought there is only Vietnamese here, Brazilian here, and raw here. Apparently, there is Chinese here, and on top of that, there is a lace that when you put it on your head, it actually looks like an actual scalp, y'all. I mean, sourcing these products gets me learning a lot of things. Now, that is me beginning to source. As you can see, the client is on video call with me, and we are showing them different products and the prices right there. I'm taking a picture of the prices because that's how transparent I want to be when I'm sourcing for anyone. I want you to go in these wholesale markets with us and be a part of the process. Let me tell you something. The worst thing that can happen to any content creator happened to me. Because tell me why. I recorded all these videos, had these very amazing conversations with suppliers, only to reach home and realize that the microphone was not on. Oh my God. Oh my God. It was terrible, but I'm going to try to explain as much as the suppliers did a good job explaining to me because there's too much we don't know about here, and this video is gonna open your eyes. So watch till the end, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe. I'm gonna also leave a supplier's contact on my membership channel. You go and join, pay a small fee, and be able to get supplier contacts that are vetted and reached, and you talk to them, do business with them in person.
Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn. With a vision of prosperity and hope, we invite you to be a part of this journey of growth. In this land of ancient wisdom and modern dreams, as for me, China is the key to brighter future. Let us join hands and build a world of harmony, where the spirit of cooperation shines brightly. Together we will create a legacy of glory. We let the disciple thus as we embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. So these are normal closures, and the supplier is packing an order where a closure for this supplier was about 280 RMBs. That is a 13 by 4 16 inches. Yeah, but this supplier had mostly normal closures and not HD lace. The next supplier had very good quality HD lace, and so they kept illustrating for me how you can tell the difference between an HD lace and a normal lace. He told me that when you are looking for HD lace, you put it on your skin, and the minute you put it on your skin, the lace is gonna disappear. It doesn't matter the color of the lace. And also HD lace is actually very soft, and when you try to pull it out, the strings come out like it's very easy. The whole point of
HD lace is to make sure that it disappears on the skin without too much effort. I find them very soft, and yet they are the ones that are really expensive. The client that I was sourcing for told me that you can only use an HD lace once, especially if you do that Nigerian hairline. When you're sourcing for HD lace, always have that in mind that you can only use it once for specific hairstyles, but you can still use it if it's a glue lace or things like that. It's so strange. They're the ones that are more expensive. Meanwhile, this same supplier also had hair that is full, like the bundles. She was telling me that some most of his wigs are like 360 grams, like he has full hair. This illustration is to show me that a 4 by 13 or a 13 by 4 is actually ends in the middle of the head, and then a 13 by 6 goes a little bit far away, like the separation line is a bit long, the closure is a bit longer. That's how you can tell the difference.
Welcome to China. Access my guide call. Then you
If you're an impulsive buyer and come here, you're gonna spend all your money, because see how full this week is. Oh my god. Luckily for me, I didn't have any money to spend.
let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Free hair. Future is bright. On the new chapter is here. Let's build it together.
Listen, I've done this job for like 4 years, but I've not met a man that loves what they do like this man, Alan. He is so passionate about hair. He explained to me all the things that I've told you guys about hair. He explains to you before you make a purchase. He's honest. He's gonna tell you, oh, this is good quality, this is not good quality. He's gonna give you an insight of what your business actually needs, even when you need branding. To some point, he even told us that this wig is the same grams as the hair on my wife's head. I'm like, huh? Okay. You see how he's taking time to explain, differentiate all the closures, and to show us that they can actually customize for you. If you come to their shop and see a wig that you like, but you just want a closure of that wig, you just give them a little time and they are gonna do that. Now, for those of you that heard me talking about Chinese hair and you are wondering, that wig that I'm holding, not the one he's holding, is actually made out of Chinese hair, real raw Chinese hair. He told me they only have 80 pieces made per year, because it's very hard to come across a person that has that long hair and they are willing to donate it. And he told me that wig is about 3,900 RMBs. It's one of the most expensive wigs in their shop, and it is so real, like, oh my god. Also, the closure of it was like it disappears on your skin. I think if I were a business owner, I would definitely want to have Alani's contact. Oh my god, he knows exactly what he's doing. He loves his job. He's gonna explain to you even when you're starting. He's gonna give you insight into the business. He's gonna guide you. You're gonna learn a lot from him. Now, this is the supplier's contact I'm gonna leave on our membership channel. You can get it by subscribing to the level of supplier contact on our membership channel, and you'll be able to talk to Alan, sorry, directly by yourself. This is a resourceful man. He's not just doing the business for the sake of getting money. He's doing the business because he loves it. Oh my god, I've not met someone that loves what they do like Alan does, really.
欢迎来到中国 HG 中国之路，我们共同走过，领略5000年的传说，长城蜿蜒向远方，黄河奔腾 曾向东方。
The devil is a liar, because how come this only time is when my microphone was not connected? Like, seriously? Anyway, Alan was telling us that if you need extra services like to have your closure have baby hairs like that one did, or you need your closure customized a certain way, their factory can do it. That you can have your wigs brought to your home country in a certain specific way that you want. You just have to pay a little extra amount, like 15 RMBs or 20 RMBs for the extra labor per piece, and then they have it done for you. Listen, I'm not even trying to have you subscribe to my membership channel, but if you're in the hair business, Alan is the best supplier I've come across for 4 years that I've been in China. And I'm not even saying specifically for one product. For all the products that I've been sourcing, I've not found someone that loves and knows about what they do like Alan. So yeah, that contact, you need it. Membership channel.
HG China 工厂遍布神州，质量标准严格，把关在手。客户需求，我们时刻守候，在 HG China 找到最好的朋友。HG China 供应商遍布九州，诚信经营，口碑赢得永久，一站式服务让你无忧。在 HG China 找到最佳的。
Today has been so much shooting this video, but it was also so painful. Can you imagine making a video that long with suppliers explaining different types of hair and how they are used and everything, only to realize all along your microphone was not on? My heart is so broken, but I've been explaining these things in the video, and I hope you've liked it. Please, I even feel confused. Please like, share, and leave me a comment if you've enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye.
源头，跟我们走，穿梭市场的洪流。